Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, and I'm doing a quick video for everybody. Just want to share something with you. As you all know, my background is in education. I've been involved with investing since 1986. I was there for the crash of '87, everything in between. I'm very grateful and humbled that I've met some wonderful investors through the years and talked to them and just learned from them. Just listened to them humbly and gratefully as they talked and took notes. I want to share something with you. This is very important. We like to quantify things. I don't like to sit there and say, well, they all look kind of good. No. Through hard research, through 3 decades, we have found out, and a lot of this is from Daily Graphs Online, from MarketSmith, from Investors Daily, stocks that have either great earnings and or great sales and are in great groups lead the charge. So we quantify it. We look for stocks that have either earnings up 40% or higher last quarter, or the average of the last 2 sales are up 45% or higher, and or they are in the top groups, the top 10 or 20 groups, and they are within 15% of 52-week highs. There are your constraints. There's a recipe for a great cake, folks. Ooh, that sounds kind of good on a Thursday night, doesn't it? Or a Friday night. Heck, it sounds good every day. So what do? We run these screens and we put them together in a list. And this is the list right here. Ordered by group rank first, percent off high second. Industry group run. Medical products. Group 2. Computer software enterprise. And again, all these stocks have either great earnings and or, not necessarily both, or great sales, revenues, or they're in a leading group. In this case, the top 10 groups. You put them all together in a list and you run it. And I want to show you something because this is what we do right here. There's 30 years of work in this. This list is sorted by percent off high. Again, 40% earnings for last quarter or average sales for the last 2 quarters up 45% or higher in top groups. Here you go. Proof's in the pudding. What's the number 1 stock? Right here. Dropbox. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Look at the numbers. Number 2 stock. Wix. Grinding on up. Look at the revenue growth. Average of 45%? Yeah, there you go. Fits the bill. Number 3. Talent. Average? No. But is it in the top 10 groups? Yes. So does it make the cut? Yes. Look at the breakout right here. It was a keyless stock right here. Look at the breakout right here. There you go. Keyless stock. Number 4, Vonage. Just kind of grinding on up. It's a $12 stock. Does it meet the bill with earnings growth? Yes. Is it in a top group? Yes. Computer software enterprise. Grinding on up. Live person. It's good they're not called dead person, right? Live person. You can say, that doesn't have the earnings or the sales, but it's in the top groups. 3 constraints. It's within 52-week highs. Look at the nice move, folks. How'd you like to buy it right here around 17? You're at 23. Last time I checked, you're up about 6 points. 6 points on 17. You're up about 40%. There you go. CRM, Salesforce.com, grinding on up. A leader. Has the numbers. Great group. I'm just going to keep on going here. Alti, a little bit slower, but grinding on up. Aspen, grinding on up. Top groups, computer software enterprise. This is the number 2 group, folks. Computer software enterprise. Lifts up here, lifts across here. You can say, it doesn't have the numbers. Again, 3 different constraints. Number 1, 40% earnings last quarter. Or number 2, average of the last 2 quarter sales 45% or higher. Or 3, it's in the top 10 groups. Some of these stocks meet all 3 constraints. Some only meet 1. This one doesn't meet the earnings or revenue constraint, but it's in a top group, and it's making the move. There's a lot of work right here. Look at this. Everbridge. There's a nice breakout at 39 right here. Look at the volume. 39 to 52. Do the math. 13 points on 39. 30% on your money. Walking up the 8-day. Has it ever closed below the 8-day? This day it closed just a hair below it. Other than that, trending. PRO, a little slower, okay? A little slower. Now, grinding on up. Slower, but grinding on up. I'm going to stop there, but you get my point. Leading groups, leading stocks, and leading groups. That's what we look for. That's what we do at MichelinWinners.com. You know that DBX? I'm just going to show this to you real quick. That DBX, that was on the key list last night to buy, taken out right here across these tops at 32 bucks. And today they voted. We're in it. And members are in it. Clean and simple with the numbers and the group. And I hope that helps you. That's what we do. I'd love to do it for you. And I thank you. And by the way, during the day, all day long, I call these things out real time. In fact, I call them out before they're done, before they're going, saying, watch this stock. It's getting close. Here's the price. And everybody's ready. So thank you very much. Have a good night and a safe night.